Hi, I'm Al Krakowski and I'm an artist. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bird. We're going to start off by drawing two shapes. We're going to draw a circle and then an oval connected. Going down on an angle. And then from there, we'll add a beak extending from the head. And we'll connect these two and erase some of the lines we don't need in just a second. We'll draw a curved line for our wing. We'll draw a curved line extending from the bottom for our tail feathers. We'll go in and we'll erase the lines separating these two shapes. We'll make it into one shape. And we'll erase a little bit in the beak, because we don't need that. And we'll color that in. We'll give our bird an eye, and draw a circle for the eye. We'll draw some feather texture. There's some quick lines going down our wing. And lastly, we'll draw his feet. We'll draw 3 toes sticking out forward and 1 in the back. 3 in the front, 1 in the back. Then we'll just draw a line to make a shape separating his stomach, and we'll color that in. And that's it. That is how you draw a bird. Thank you for watching, and keep on drawing.